हेलो दोस्तों। आज हम ऑथर अनुराग विक्रम के बेस्ट सेलिंग बुक हाउ टू क्रैक आईआईटी जेईई एडवांस के बारे में बात करेंगे। ये बुक कैसा है और इसमें आपको क्या सब फीचर्स मिलेंगे उसके बारे में हम जानेंगे। दिस बुक इज अ स्टेप टू स्टेप गाइडेंस ऑन हाउ टू क्रैक जेईई एडवांस इन फर्स्ट attempt. This is based on inputs from many students who cracked JEE Advance like Dhananjay K. Yadav 1500 rank in 2015, Suman Singh 500 rank and many more. People generally fails to crack it because they generally believe in misconception or myths created all around them. Everyone thinks that you have to visit Kota or Delhi or else to crack JEE, but this fact is half true. You can crack it even from your home yourself without joining any costly institute. Proper planning and consistency is the key to success in any examination in the world. Here I would suggest you practical approach to crack this prestigious examination. Good luck for your studies. अनुराग विक्रम। अब जानते हैं इस बुक के इंट्रोडक्शन के बारे में। अबाउट IITS, इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी, popularly known as IITS, are premier in institute of India which is far and wide known for world class education. It is playing a key role in shaping a nation with manpower and resources. Every year, IIT passed out graduates, that is, IITians, have been in huge demand and are recruited at high packages all over the world. IIT is an autonomous body consisting of several institutes located at different parts of country. Major institutes are IIT Kharagpur, Mumbai, Madras, Delhi, Roorkee, Guwahati, Kanpur. Every year, IIT conducts JEE Advance to select the brightest brain of the nation. It has 4-year BTech, B Pharma and 5-year BArch, MTech and MSc courses. Degree awarded by IITS is at par with the best universities of the world. CEOs of top global companies are IITians, whether it is Sundar Pichai, Google CEO, and Satya Nadella, Microsoft CEO. एग्जाम पैटर्न के बारे में जानते हैं। IIT is statistically tougher to get into than Harvard or Cambridge. First of all, students have to appear at JEE Mains, which comprises objective type multiple choice questions from physics, maths and chemistry section of equal weightage. This test has negative marking of 1/4. Forms are generally starts to fill up from November-December every year. Top 1% students who qualify this have to appear at JEE Advanced to get into IIT, considering 12th board examination marks in the ratio of 70:13, giving higher weightage to JEE main marks. JEE Advanced. This is the ultimate test to get into IIT. This paper consists of objective type multiple choice questions, MCQs, matrix match question, comprehension based question, integration type question. MCQ have one option true, while matrix match and passage based question may have more than one option true. Some questions have negative marking of 1/4, while some questions have no negative marking. How to start your preparation? You should start preparation right from your 6th class if you want to crack JEE in very first attempt. For this, many foundation books are available in market. Book list for foundation. First, Ashton Foundation Maths for IIT, Pearson Foundation for Chemistry and Physics, NCERT Science and Maths for Objective Physics by Tata McGraw-Hill, TMH. You should start first with NCERT book as it is a base book. You should read it thoroughly and take proper notes of it in a separate diary for each subject. Prepare a list of hard questions in your diary which you should revise regularly. Try to finish it within 6 months. After 6 months, solve RD Sharma math books and all the foundation books regularly. Timetable. During first 6 months, if school timing is 8 AM to 2 PM. तो दोस्तों आपको कैसा लगा बुक का रिव्यू हाउ टू क्रैक IIT JEE? बहुत ही बेस्ट बुक है, आप जरूर पढ़ें आप अगर क्रैक करना चाहते हो IIT JEE तो। थैंक यू।